Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tesla Model 3 Cruise Control. To begin, locate the gear selector stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Pull this stalk down once to engage traffic-aware cruise control. Your vehicle will then maintain its current speed and automatically adjust to traffic. This feature helps reduce driver fatigue on longer journeys. Once cruise control is active, you can easily adjust your speed. Simply roll the right scroll wheel on the steering wheel up to increase your speed or down to decrease it. To modify the distance your Tesla maintains from the car ahead, push the gear selector stalk to the left or right. You have 7 distinct settings to choose from. For enhanced assistance, you can engage auto steer. While traffic-aware cruise control is active, pull the gear selector stalk down twice. Auto steer will then help keep your Model 3 centered in its lane. Remember, this is an assistance feature, so always keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain attentive to the road. Disengaging cruise control is straightforward. You can push the gear selector stalk up once to cancel traffic-aware cruise control. Alternatively, pressing the brake pedal will disengage both cruise control and auto steer immediately. Also, if you shift your vehicle into reverse, cruise control will automatically cancel for your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.